Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of precision with the Imarku Professional Rolling Knife Sharpener, a must-have tool for every kitchen enthusiast. This sharpener features two industrial-grade diamond discs, with the number 400 disc removing the surface layer and the number 1000 disc providing precise honing for a razor-sharp edge, making it suitable for all steel hardness levels. Its innovative downward sharpening design ensures user safety by preventing accidental injuries while stabilizing the blade for consistent results. With 4 magnetic angle settings, 12 degrees, 13 degrees, 15 degrees, and 20 degrees, you can tailor your sharpening experience to suit various knives and tasks, from delicate slicing to tough cutting. Built with durable ABS construction, this sharpener offers a secure grip and lightweight design, making it easy to use and maintain. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, simply adjust the angle and push the roller for effortless sharpening without the need for water. Perfect as a gift for chefs and home cooks alike, the Imarku Knife Sharpener is an essential kitchen accessory that promises to keep your knives in top condition. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.